All right, so welcome back. This is gonna be another video on the Lexus IS. Last video we did the Brembos. We got another product from Chansha Work. Today we're gonna do a carbon fiber rear diffuser swap on this car. As you can see, we just got a factory OEM plastic diffuser. We're just gonna get rid of this. One of the main reasons why, because I wanted to do quad tips on the exhaust. I have an exhaust coming through online, so it's on the way. For this specific model and year, it's a 2015. I can't have no space. I just don't have space with this OEM diffuser to do the quad tip, so that's one of the reasons why. And also, I've been wanting to have a third brake lights on this diffuser, but I couldn't find them. But I was able to find this piece right here, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this out real quick. All right, so to remove the bumper, there's gonna be a little clip right here, and there's one more right there, and it's gonna be two 10mm bolt. Take them out, and then around here there will be a screw up there. Take that out, and then the same thing to the other side. Make sure to take that out, and then the whole bumper is holding with the little clips, and pry it open. It'll just drop the whole thing and you should be good to go. Ready? All right, so there's gonna be two retainers right here. Get this out like this. Pop that open. There's gonna be one more right there. Let's go ahead and get that. Same thing. One more right there. That. Go ahead and. All right, so it's time to take this one out. The little retainers. There's a couple more down there, all the way up there. Like I said before, just gonna go ahead and just gonna separate them just like that. Can you get right here? Just like that. That easy. We're gonna leave this right here right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and disconnect all of this right here. Everything, just to see you guys how it looks like from outside. We're gonna go ahead and flip the bumper. Flip it. Like that. No, flip it like just to see outside. Like that. Like so. So there's one screw right here. Just take that, then just take the clips outside. Should be good to go.
Find out where the screw goes to.
So before you're gonna take this part, go ahead and take the screw right here, and then go ahead and take your reflector out. It'll be way easier. Just go ahead and pop this out from the back, and this one just it drops. Same thing with this side. Just go ahead and loose the screw. Take your the rear reflector just like this. Just take it out, and it should be good to go. All right, so we went ahead and got the rear bumper removed. We took out the OEM diffuser. We put the carbon fiber diffuser right there. now we're gonna go ahead and figure out a way we can run the wire for our third brake light. I'm thinking we can do something from this little slot right here from the firewall. Hopefully get it out to our third brake light on the top. If not, we'll find a way and we'll show you guys how to do that in a bit. So for right now, we're just gonna find. All right, so if you guys are wondering about how to connect the third brake light, so we just went ahead and, you know, kind of clean this up a little bit. So we got the same exact color wires. I had them just laying down on my garage. We went ahead and kind of wrapped this around with the electric tape, so we actually able to run the wire through this rubber grommet right here, or the firewall, whatever you want to call it, from there all the way right here. And we went ahead and connect the brake lights. As you can see, it's right here. Especially if you have this Tonsure work taillights, it'll work way better for you. I mean, even if you have the stock ones, just kind of color mesh this whole thing. Just red to red, yellow to yellow, and then the black to black. That's just gonna be it. And then you see, that's pretty much it.
The next day.